Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the airplane mode on your iPhone 13 or 13 Pro. First thing you're gonna do is go to your settings. Okay, right there, put a circle on it, settings, click that, and then you're gonna go to airplane modes right on top, right there, turn it on, and you'll see the airplane logo up on top. It means it's on. Okay, once it's on, let me tell you a little bit about airplane mode. So you cannot use your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth. Okay, cannot use none of that. Okay, you lose connection. So they do this when you board into the plane or you don't want to get bothered. So to turn back up, just click that and then it'll be off. Okay, and then you see the internet or Wi-Fi comes on. Super easy, guys. If you want to add something up, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, like and share. Thank you.